Hey guys, it's Dora. Today I have a very fun project for you. Foaming bath butter whipped soap. This project is very easy and only has a few ingredients. The foaming bath butter is a soap base that can be whipped up into a light and fluffy state. It's kind of amazing. Get the base smooth and fluffy, but don't worry about it too much because there is much more whipping ahead. Fragrance oil, I used fairy dust, rose jam, and floral muse. God, it smelled wonderful. Choose whichever oil or butter that you want. I chose kokum because it gets very hard when it's completely cool, but this is completely up to you. Careful not to over whip the base. It can collapse if you whip it more than double its volume. Isn't that so pretty? Look how pretty all the colors are and those little frills. Just in case you were wondering, the soap stays exactly the same as the day you made it. It doesn't deflate, it doesn't harden, it stays whipped up, in position, and soft. A little goes a long way, so grab a small dab, rub it on the skin, and activate it with water. The first thing I noticed was a gentle exfoliation from the sugar. followed by lots of bubbles and suds. Then, all of a sudden, like out of nowhere, this beautiful thick foam appeared along with a lovely lather. I feel like this soap could go on forever. The foam and lather were not going anywhere. My hands felt wonderful, very clean and exfoliated while also feeling moisturized, but not greasy though. Thanks for joining me. If you're interested in this project, please read the description. You'll find helpful tips and the supply list at the bottom. And if you're interested in more creative bath inspiration, you should subscribe. Stay updated with weekly bath videos featuring unique ideas and fun bath projects.